Hello everyone, this is Amber from Racing Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. And look at here. One side has a matte texture and the other side is smoother. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. And the color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's take a look at the product. To have this pole, it uses a punching mold. We design each product from your samples, so the girls fit perfectly. In the paper tray, we can customize any logo for you. If you are interested in this product and you have required about it, just feel free to contact us. We are offering free design service and free sample service. Bye bye.